You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this perfume by French brand Guy Laroche? Let's break down how it's said in French and then how you can say it in English. It means long ship, the Viking long ship. That's Drakkar in French. Noir is black, the color black in French. So Drakkar Noir is how we would say it in French in France. Drakkar Noir in English, you can say it as Drakkar Noir. Drakkar Noir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.